Hi guys, so this week is actually my final week of college, which I'm really looking forward to because I have my final show at the end of the week. I'm sorry if I'm no good at holding the camera because I'm hopefully gonna vlog. I didn't really vlog much today. I met my first ever fangirl. So I'm gonna tell you what happened. It was actually my sister's art teacher, which is kind of awkward. I remember my sister telling me when it was her parents' evening, "Zoe, my art teacher was looking forward to seeing you." Yeah. Basically, my sister was doing her art GCSE and she asked her teacher if she could go watch my video for inspiration. Instead of Sonia just watching it herself, the art teacher decided to show it in front of the entire class. Yay! So, I may or may not have inspired about 15 to 16 year olds, so yeah, kind of awkward. Especially when the teacher mistook my age. She thought I was younger, like a year younger than what I was, but she was very nice. And she said, "Oh, you've got to come and teach the class." I'm like, no. I'm really antisocial in real life, so that's not gonna happen. So I'm actually also drawing at the moment. I'm just doing some stuff in my sketchbook. I really want to draw a rose. I'm practicing my pencil crayon, and as you can see, it's just a sketch at the moment. I'm hoping that it will turn out okay. At the moment, I am watching Tatty 1907's collaboration video with future mangaka. I can never be able to say things. I did this picture, but I'm not very proud of it. I was trying to do a picture of Skylar. Didn't work out. So there's also Jalal and Ranka. I love how this one turned out with the different ink effects. I liked it a lot better while it was drying because you could actually see all the textures and the grains of the paper, which I thought was really good. So yeah, so little quick view of my sketchbook. Oh, there's a sketch in here that's been sneak peeked. Oh no. I finally finished college, which is amazing because it was just so stressful and I really wanted to get it over with. As for my history of type project, I handed it in because all I need on that project is a pass, and one of the things that went towards the project was at least a distinction. So hopefully if I can round it off at about a merit for typography, that would be really good. So now that I've finished college, I thought I would go and play some Spyro. This is Spyro 3, well, Spyro Year of the Dragon. I've set up the camera. This is actually my sister's game, so I don't know whether she'll kill me. Who knows? Oh, she's missing an egg. Damn. Sonia's really bad. Like, she misses gems and eggs because she can't reach them. And then it's up to me or my mum to go get them for her. Oh god. Don't run out on me! No! No. Yay! I got the egg! Some of these dragons are like really weird. Like, they're super weird. I also know the cheat for 99 lives. I wonder how many lives Sonia's got. Oh, my mum's back. Okay. Yay! Spyro! I'll probably speed this clip up. Hi guys, so this is my show board. So first of all here we have like an illustrator project, and it was to do with skateboards. My bus first. Then we have my steampunk girl. Hi guys, so it's Friday and I've just been on my roleplay group's like website where I use my characters the most, and honestly I just found out that I could have at least 7 characters. Now you'd think I do have 7 characters because I said I have the main 7, but according to the rules of the group, twins actually count as 1 character, so that would mean Reese and Rocco would count as just 1 character because they're twins. So I don't know. I kind of like having that open space for another character, but I'm not sure if I want to have another character because 7, well, I have 7 at the moment because of the twins. But I don't know. Should I? Or should I just like come up with it in due course? So basically like just keep it going. It's okay not to fill it up for now. I really don't know. So now I'm having my dinner and I have pizza. Pizza. Some people don't like ham and pineapple, but I absolutely love it. It's also known as Hawaiian pizza. It's just so good. Oh, lovely. Hi guys, so just before I end this vlog, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who subscribed. I hit 600 subscribers, which is insane. It felt like only yesterday I hit 500. I say this every time, but it honestly does. It feels like I'm hitting 100 subscribers at least every month and a half, which is crazy. If I think about it too much, I think I'm just gonna pass out from like being overwhelmed. I'm trying not to think about it now, but it's impossible to. It's just amazing to think that 600 people have stayed for my content and actually subscribed to me, so that they can see my content develop and me develop as a person. That it's insane. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you whenever my next video is up. So, bye!